This might be the best Allure beauty box ever. Not only does it have a value of over $90 for a $15 box, but we have 3 new releases in here, 2 of which you can't even buy yet. How cool is that? Hello my beauty buddies, I'm so glad that you're here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicole and I do over 50 lifestyle, lots of beauty, anti-aging, skincare, and some cooking. While you're thinking of it, if you've been enjoying my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do that right now. And if you give this a like, if you like it at the end, it really helps. It's really awesome. So anyhow, let's talk about this. Okay, I was seriously about to unsubscribe from the Allure beauty box. $15 a month. I've got a coupon code below if you don't get it. You get like $5 off. A ton of people have those codes. So anyhow, you get your first one for 10. But I've been a little underwhelmed. It just seems like, you know, Allure you'd think would be like really, really good. And it was better than like the $10 FC Glam bag, but I don't know, it just wasn't ringing my bell lately. But they did some cool stuff. So first off, it's not a little red box anymore. It's in this little plasticky bag, you know, which I guess is okay. You keep stuff in it. It's got 2 snaps, so not really good for travel. If anything leaks, it's gonna pour out the top. But anyhow, they try to do something different, so that is nice. But there are some items in here that haven't even hit the stores yet, so that's really cool. And the values are really good. Hey, it's Nicole from the future. I've now been using these products for about a week. Just want to let you know that after I am unboxing, I will pop in now from the future and tell you what I think of the products after I've been using them. So it's not just a first impression video. This is the Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub, so you can scrub your scalp with it and your body. So it's always good to kind of exfoliate your scalp once in a while, so I think that's kind of a cool product, something different. Haven't tried this before, haven't received anything like it before. I have one from Kenra that I actually use. It's a chelating shampoo and it has little granules in it too. I think that I like this better though because the sugar will just dissolve, because the Kenra ones, I think they're the microbeads or something, because, you know, sometimes I'll find one, you know, couple hours later in my hair if I don't cut it all out. So that's cool. This is 1 ounce. The full size is 8.8 ounce. And let's see here. So this has a value of $4.50. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on the Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub. So I used it a few times and I found that it was kind of hard to use in my hair to get to my scalp, because it's just kind of like a sugar scrub and you have to get through your hair to your scalp, and I found I had to use quite a bit. And I did like that the sugar crystals dissolved very quickly. You didn't end up with any little plastic little pebbles in your hair later on. But I don't know, I just didn't find it very effective, and I found that I had to use quite a lot of it. Now on my body, it was fantastic, really nice scrub, smelled great, so wonderful for that. But if you're buying it for scalp, you know, I think I'd try something else. The other one that I use that has a little more pebble things, oh, sorry, it's so windy, I'm getting hair in my face. The other one that I use that has little pebbles has more of a shampoo to it, so it kind of bubbles up. Oh, I'm here in San Diego near the airport, so sorry about all the airplane noise. But anyhow, the one that I have that bubbles up, you really can get the little scrubby, pebbly things into your scalp far easier because it's kind of bubbly, lifting your hair. So I would probably recommend that one. I'll put the link for it below over this Ouai one if you're looking for an actual scalp scrub. And that one's also a chelator for your hair, so it's great to use to remove extra product buildup, or if you want to color your hair or something like that, it's great to kind of get any gunk that might be in the way of your hair color too. So, all right. That is it for the Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub. The next item with a $9 value are these Beautyblender minis. So they're just little teeny ones and they're really good for under your eyes, or maybe if you're doing a little contour with powder, not powder, with cream. So these are handy to have. I've had them before, but I lost them because they're so tiny, so it's the only problem. So I'm glad I got them. The Beautyblender minis, you know what? I had these before and then I lost them, and oh, now that I have them again, I really don't want to do without them. They are so good for just the concealer up in the corner of my eyes, or making sure, do you ever kind of have an area here in your nose where it's hard to get your foundation to, you know, shove into very easily? Super for that. Really am enjoying these. Total win. I'm excited about this. This is a ½ ounce of a brand new Sunday Riley product. This is the CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil. I am a oil fanatic. I'm telling you, I like them for cleansing. I like them for moisturizing. I really love them. I should do a video about my oil collection. I'm meaning to do that. I actually put them all in a bag to do that, and I just haven't gotten to it. So that has to be something to do. But this one, it has a smell a bit, okay, you know how Sunday Riley Luna smells a little bit earthy, kind of a little bit like a spice maybe. This has turmeric in it, and it has the slightest hint of that. So this ½ ounce of the CEO Glow oil, I'm guessing it's going to have a value of about $35. It might be more than that, I'm not sure, but most of the Sunday Riley oils seem to run about $70 to like $100. So I'm going to just guess that, let's just go low, say this is worth $35 for the ½ ounce, and let's see what they say about it. They say that it's instantly absorbing with advanced vitamin C, turmeric, and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. Recharge your radiance. Anyway, then it just goes on. But I love oils. If you just use a drop, like seriously, like a drop, and do this and kind of push it into your skin, you can even use it in the morning and not look shiny all day. I like to use it kind of after I've put everything on at night to kind of seal everything in. Although sometimes I'll put a layer of it, then moisturizer, then more on top, or mix it into my moisturizer. So there's so many ways that you can use the oils. They're absolutely wonderful. And I'm looking forward to giving this one a try. And this is not released yet. You can't even buy this yet. You can't even find this on their website. I just looked. The CEO Glow has been very nice. I've been putting it on in the morning, and I actually, if I just use about 2 or 3 drops and kind of pat them on my face, it's fine in the morning underneath my makeup. So I've been enjoying this. I can't speak to any results yet because it's only been like a week. But so far it is a very nice application. I don't look oily or greasy, and it absorbs really well. There's another item here. This is their A+ high dose retinoid serum. So first thing, if you're going to use retinoid, you have to wear sunscreen. This will make you more sun sensitive. All retinoids are like that. So haven't tried this one. Really don't know anything, that much about it. But if you do use it, this is good. It's like kind of one of those pump containers, the air pump, so it's not going to get air in it and degrade. It's a very thin, light serum, and seems to absorb easily. Yeah. Okay, let's see what they say about it. A lightweight retinol for smoothing lines and brightening complexions. So stoked to have this. I again guessed on the price because I can't find the price of this. So since this is about half the size of this one, and I was giving this $35, I guess this would be worth about $17.50. So the A+ retinoid serum has been nice. I've been putting on at night. I have not been using my normal prescription retinol. I just thought I'd kind of see. But again, it's only been a week, so I can't say anything, but no irritation or issues or anything at all. So far, so good. This is by Doucet. This is a lip crayon, and it's in Winterberry. Let me open it up and we can see what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. I'm gonna swatch it on this hand because the other one has so much stuff on it. So it's a very pretty berry color. I think that'll be very nice. Here, let's try it on real quick. I have a mascara I really like by Doucet. I'll just put this on top. Oh, hey, it kind of matches what I have on. Okay, that applied nicely. Looks matte, but it does feel comfortable. I don't feel like my lips are drying out. Haven't had it on very long, but yeah, I'll let you know as I go on in this video if it becomes uncomfortable, but so far so good, and I think it looks really nice. This has a $22 value. The Doucet Relentless Lip Crayon is awesome. It's matte, but it doesn't feel really dry while it's on. And I really like the color. If I put it on lightly, it's something I wear more every day. I can give it kind of, sheer it out a bit with my finger. Really like the way it lasts. And if you darken it all up, it lasts really well too. I am starting to get some little lip wrinkles. So when I did wear it the dark way, I did put a darker liner to really make sure that I wasn't getting, a little bit of lumpiness, not looking real sharp on the edges of my lips. But that's not the product's fault. That's my age. We also got a Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. So I haven't gotten anything from Mally Beauty in a long time. When I first started getting subscription boxes, there was so much Mally stuff, it was crazy. But this looks like a very pretty copper color. Let me put that next to the lipstick. Oh yeah, that looks very nice. I don't use eye crayons a ton, but sometimes they're really nice to just scribble on, smudge with your fingers, and get on with your day. So this looks like a very pretty wearable color. I like coppers a lot, so I think this will come in very handy. Nice to have. $25 value. I see your stuff go kind of on special a lot on QVC and places like that, so you probably get it a little bit cheaper. The Mally eyeshadow stick is very nice. I've been using it kind of on the corners of my eyes and then pushing, you know, maybe more of a metallic on top of it to get a very gilded look on my eyes. I've also just worn it kind of pretty much by itself and just kind of rubbed it when I was having kind of, I'm not wearing much makeup day. So nice product, enjoying it. I got one other thing in here. This is by NCLA. I really actually do like their nail polishes quite a bit. My nails are terrible. If I don't have, you know, the acrylics or gels on, and I mean the actual fake nails, not the gels that you just do under the light, because after a month of wearing those, my nails just cracking get terrible, kind of like they are right now. So I just wear regular nail polish nowadays, and it lasts, you know, for a day or two usually, and the NCLA ones seem to, and I love this color. Is that a pretty color? Anyhow, this they just threw in. It's not listed in the box, so I think it was just an extra, and I don't know why exactly I got it. I don't know who it was for, but oh look, it's kind of the color of the little bag there. I just did a really quick and dirty job putting it on so you could just see the color of the nail polish. But it's not listed in here. There's no value listed for it. There's nothing here, but I read some people might be getting it. So that is cool. I'm glad that I got it. I don't know if it's because I've been a subscriber for a long time or what, but I like it. This NCLA nail polish is awesome. This is one coat. And for me, it lasts about 48 hours or so before it chips, which for me is pretty typical. My nails just flake and chip super easily. So for me to go about 2 days without a chip, it's really good, really normal. And it goes on so well. One coat, this was one coat. I just had to show you one coat because I was really impressed with it. So it seems like, you know, I don't know if they've changed their formula or what, but I actually like it better than the other NCLAs I have. I think the color is very fun. The color, by the way, is called Call My Agent. So all of these items end up with a value of over $90. Now, I know I was guessing for a lot of it because, you know, we don't have two of the products, we don't have actual pricing, but I think that's a fantastic buy. I like the variety. Got something for nails, got something for eyes, got some skincare, got some scalp and body care. I think it's a really well-rounded box. And that we have two things that most people don't get to try yet. Is uber cool. So good job, Allure. I'm absolutely thrilled with Allure. I'm so glad I didn't cancel. Just curious, did you get the Allure Beauty box? And if so, you know, what's your experience been? Have you been liking the boxes? And are you happy with this one too? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them there too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are.